Alright, the first one, it says solve by graphing. So we have y equals negative 4x plus 4. So you remember 4 is our y-intercept, so I'm going to go up to 4 and make a dot. My slope is negative 4 over 1. So remember, if it's negative 4, that you can put it over 1. So it's rise over run. So that means I'm going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And then I'm going to connect those 2 points. A little too much, but that's okay. Alright, so now the next one, it says negative 3 is my y-intercept. So I'm going to start at negative 3, 1, 2, 3, put a dot. My slope is negative 1 over 2, so I'm going to go down 1, run 2. Down 1, run 2. So I'm going to go like this. Connect those dots. And so rough estimate would be 2, negative 4 for my answer. Then it says here, because remember, graphing, you're always going to have some error. Now it says solve by substitution. So we have negative 3x plus negative 3y is equal to 3, y equals negative 5x minus 17. So what would I have to do? I'm going to put negative 5x minus 17 in for y. So I have negative 3x minus 3. Now instead of y, I'm going to have that. Negative 5x minus 17 is equal to 3. Distribute, so I have negative 3x. Negative is a positive. 3 times 5 is 15. X, again, negative is a positive. And 17 times 3 is 51. Is equal to 3. Combine like terms. 15 minus 3 gives me a 12x plus 51 is equal to 3. Subtract 51. 12x is equal to 3 minus 51, which gives me a negative 48. And then, what do I do? Yes, divide by 12. X is negative 4. So x is negative 4. We have to find out what y is by plugging it back in. This says y is equal to a negative 5 times my x, which is negative 4, minus 17. So negative 5 times negative 4 minus 17 in our calculator, we get y is 37. Now, you could always recheck it by putting in the top one too. So you could go negative 3 times negative 4 minus 3 times 37, and that should equal 3. And it doesn't. This is negative. That's wrong. And I find a mistake.